Welcome to EDU World Space.
We are going to calculate the length of the curve correct to 4 decimals that is given parametrically by r of t equals cosine of pi t, first component, 2t, the second component, and the third component is sine of 2 pi t. And the curve goes from 1, 0, 0 to 1, 4, 0. And to determine the range of values of the parameter t, we look at the second component. So we know that 2t goes from the value 0, so from t equals 0 to the value 4, that is to the value of t equals 2. So this is the range of the parameter t to reproduce the curve from this point to this other point. So the length is given by the integral from 0 to 2, which is a variation of parameter t, square root of the derivative with respect to t of the first component, cosine of pi t, and that derivative squared, plus the derivative with respect to t of the second component, which is 2t squared, plus the derivative of its third component with respect to t, that is the derivative of sine of 2 pi t squared. That is, the length of the curve is equal to the square root, the integral from 0 to 2 of the square root of the sum of the squares of the derivatives of each component. So this is equal to the integral from 0 to 2 of the square root of the derivative of cosine of pi t is negative sine of pi t times derivative with respect to t of pi t is pi, and all that product squared, plus derivative of 2t with respect to t is 2, and that squared, plus derivative with respect to t of sine of 2 pi t is cosine of 2 pi t, and that times the derivative of 2 pi t, which is 2 pi, and that product squared. So this is the integral from 0 to 2 of the square root of, so here we get pi squared sine squared of pi t plus 4 pi squared cosine squared of 2 pi t. And this integral will have to be calculated using a calculator or a computer program, and we have done so, and we got the value 10.33111.813. So we have done here more than 4 exact decimals. So you can use the 4 decimals or more, or the given here. So this is the result of the length of the curve given by this parametric equation between these 2 points.